Assalamualaikum. Welcome to e-edification. It's me उस्मान अली, your English teacher. चलिए आज के लेक्चर का आगाज करते
Dear students, today we will discuss our remaining words with letter C. First word is compelled. Compelled is an adjective. It means having to do something because you are forced or feel it is necessary. In Urdu, it means majboor, लाचार. Synonyms: forced, pressurized, urged, enforced. He felt compelled to report the incident. Note down the point. It is used, the word compelled is used as adjective after verb only. यानी ये जो वर्ड है compel, ये verb के बाद यूज होगा. You may reconsider the given sentence. He felt compelled. So felt is a verb and compelled is an adjective. Coax, it's a verb. It means gently and persistently persuade someone to do something. किसी को खुशामद करना, किसी को चुमकारना, किसी काम के लिए आमादा करना, लेकिन चुमकारते हुए, खुशामद करते हुए. Synonyms: persuade, wheedle, cajole, prevail, beguile, flatter, seduce, lure, entice, tempt. The doctor coaxed the child and asked her name. You may relate this sentence to your lesson, the use of force. Coaxed. Coaxed becomes adjective. For example, the coaxed patient, the coaxed daughter. The daughter who has been coaxed, who has been persuaded, who has been flattered. Next word is comprehension. Comprehension is a noun. It means the ability to understand something. किसी चीज को समझने की सलाहियत. समझ, इदराक, फहम. Synonyms: understanding, grasp, grip, conception, apprehension, cognition. They don't have the least comprehension of what I am trying to do. The comprehension of spoken language needs drill. Curious, it's an adjective. Wanting to know, किसी चीज़ को जानने की जुस्तजू या ख्वाहिश रखने वाला, यानी मुश्ताक, शौकीन. Synonyms: eager, excited, impatient, in suspense, on tenterhooks, keen, anxious. He was curious about how she would react. Next word is casually. Casually is an adverb. It means in a relaxed and informal way. यानी एक गैर रस्मी और आमियाना अंदाज से. Its synonyms: carelessly, improperly. The staff were all casually clothed. He casually tossed the gift on the table. Next word is confine. Confine is a verb. It means to limit an activity, person or problem in some way. किसी शख्स, काम या मसले को महदूद करना. तो in general it means महदूद करना. Synonyms: enclose, incarcerate, imprison, intern, impound, trap, restrict, limit. You have confined yourself to what you idealize. जो तुम सोचते हो अपने आप को तुमने उसी तक महदूद कर लिया है. Confining becomes adjective. Now are we living through confining times in the history of mankind? So in confining times, confining is adjective. Next word is cramped. Crammed is adjective. It means very full of people or things. चीज़ों या लोगों से भरा हुआ. Synonyms: stuffed, packed, jammed, filled, crowded, thronged. The dogs were crammed with people. How can children learn in crammed classrooms? The classrooms which are crowded, packed, where children can't learn anything. Confirm is a verb. It means to show that something is definitely true. किसी चीज़ की तस्दीक करना. Synonyms: affirm, reaffirm, assert, reassert, give an assurance, assure someone, repeat, say again, state again, pledge, promise, and guarantee. New evidence has confirmed the first witness story. Note: in more formal English, we say it is confirmed that something is true. When we use more formal language, we use the expression it is confirmed. Note down the sentence. It was confirmed that the bone was broken. So it's a formal expression. Next word is captivate. Captivate is a verb. It means attract and hold the interest and attention of. किसी को सहरज़दा करना, मायल करना, तवज्जो हासिल करना. Synonyms: enthrall, charm, enchant, bewitch, fascinate, beguile, entrance, enrapture, delight, attract, allure. He was captivated by her beauty. Captivated becomes adjective. For example, captivated person. Next word is criteria. Criteria is a noun. It means a principle or standard by which something may be judged or decided. In Urdu, it means mayar, asool. Synonyms: basis, point of reference, standard, norm, yardstick, benchmark, touchstone, test, formula, measure. The criteria for the selection of players don't seem appropriate. Criterion. The word criterion is singular form of the word criteria. Criteria is plural. The company's criterion for success is high sales. So here criterion is singular, whereas criteria is plural. Now the word criteria has certain collocations. Note them down. The main criteria, the sole criterion, a strict criterion, academic, political, environmental, etc. criteria, an objective criterion or criteria. Now its collocation with verbs. Previous one were collocations with adjectives. How this word collocates with verbs? Meet, satisfy, or fulfill the criteria. Use criteria, apply criteria, be based on criteria, establish the criteria for something.